Alright, so here we are, the evening just after the storm has stopped. December 27th, Montreal. Give you guys an idea on what we're talking about. Neighbors here were fortunate enough to shovel out our walkway a little here today. Give you an idea, that's about 2 feet deep there, on average. What's that? Oh, it's just a big, oh, there's a car there. Oh, how about that? My truck's way up the other side of the street. I guess they're plowing the right side tomorrow, and then all the cars are gonna have to dig themselves out tomorrow and get out of there by 8 or something. And then they'll do the other side tomorrow. I'll see if I can get some video for you of them doing their ridiculous snow removal thing again, but this will be a little more extreme than the last video I took. Wow, it's like 3 feet deep here. Alright. You're all glad you're not here, eh?